Hello friends, welcome to Просто Смак. Today we are making a rich, creamy and incredibly flavorful mushroom soup that is easy to prepare and perfect for any season. Let's start by preparing the vegetables. Finely dice the onion and saute it in vegetable oil until soft and lightly golden. While the onion is cooking, wash and clean the mushrooms. Cut the mushrooms into medium-sized pieces. Once the onion develops a beautiful golden color, transfer it to a large pot and add a small piece of butter. Next, lightly saute the mushrooms. There is no need to cook them completely at this stage. Transfer the mushrooms to the pot with the onions. We are using a large amount of mushrooms today, so we cook them in several batches. Now add the chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can use cream or even plain water. Bring everything to a gentle boil. Using an immersion blender, blend the soup until smooth and creamy. If you prefer more texture, blend only part of the soup and leave some mushroom pieces intact. If you use chicken broth as the base, now add the cream. The fat content of the cream is completely up to your preference. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. For extra flavor, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Bring the soup back to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Your creamy mushroom soup is now ready. Serve it with crispy croutons and freshly chopped herbs. For an elegant presentation, garnish each bowl with a few slices of lightly sauteed mushrooms. Look at how creamy, smooth and appetizing the soup turned out. The rich mushroom flavor and velvety texture make it a perfect comfort food. As you can see, this recipe is simple, quick and absolutely delicious. We are sure you'll enjoy this creamy mushroom soup just as much as we do. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching, liking and supporting our channel. If you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our future recipes. See you soon in Просто Смак with more simple and delicious homemade recipes.